Let's make an egg rice today. It is good for lunch and dinner. No need any sides, just this rice is enough. So don't waste time, let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. This egg rice we are making for 3 guests. Onto a pan on a medium heat, oil 1/4 cup. 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic. 5 green chilies chopped. Saute for 1 minute. Let the fragrance around. Sliced red onions 2 each. Few curry leaves. Saute for 6 to 7 minutes. Meanwhile, let's crack the eggs. Crack 6 eggs. Half teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Half teaspoon of chili powder. And beat. And set it aside. Onions are soft and transparent. Add diced tomato 1 each. Saute for a minute. Add half teaspoon of salt. 3 teaspoon of chili powder. Half teaspoon of turmeric. And saute until tomatoes are mushy. Keep the gravy to the sides. Add the beaten eggs to the center. Don't touch it. Leave it there for a minute. And do scramble by zig-zag like this. Add foil. A quick scramble. Turn down to low heat. 6 cups of cooked rice. How to cook rice is there in my channel. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Half teaspoon of garam masala. How to make garam masala is there in my channel. And combine. When it's hot, turn it off. Add chopped cilantro half cup. And gently combine. You will get a fragrant, beautiful rice like this. The egg rice we made hot. The fragrance are so good. So tempting. Some of the dishes you don't want to comment too much. When you make it and try it, the taste, the flavor will talk to you. Just enjoy and eat. We don't need any side dish for this rice. If you like some side dishes like pickles, kachumber, it's there in my channel. There's at least 15 kinds of pickles are there in my channel. Beetroot, bitter gourd, crab apple, rhubarb, and more and more. There is a cheese and beef also. So you can try that one too. Okay, bye.